Hi guys, just going to print one of those random things off Thingiverse. This one's an articulated lizard, one of those print in place things that you pull off and then it is flexible. But to make it interesting, I'm going to try and print it with offcuts of my PLA, the little bits that are left over that I've joined together. So we will find out whether I've managed to make the joins good enough to go through the feed. I've got yellow, orange, light green and blue, I think. Yeah, there was going to be dark green in there, but I think I've missed that out. It needs about 5 meters to print this lizard thing, and I think I've put about 5 meters there, so we will find out. I will time-lapse it, of course. Oh, and just knocked something on the floor, which is not surprising in my workroom where wherever I move, it's full of junk. Right, yellow's just finishing, orange is just going in. So I'll film for a few seconds. See if it goes through okay. I can see we've got a problem anyway. One of his feet hasn't stuck down. Oh, that's annoying. I'll leave it running and just see what happens. I can see that one of the other feet has come loose as well. This isn't good. Yes, that foot just there that's come loose. We might be lucky. The next few layers might make it settle down, or might not. So the back leg looked a bit loose as well. Just moving on to the orange, I think. Good chance this is going to be a fail. At the very least he can have a club foot. Right, so I'm trying to work out whether I've given myself enough filament. There's not a lot left there. We're 88%. It might be alright. It might pay me to stay and watch though, just in case I need to stop it and feed a bit more through. Just trying to see whether the legs are still there. That one that had lifted up is still there. It just looks a bit messy around the edges. Oh, what's that piece over there? That's something that's come off that shouldn't be there. Oh well, we'll find out when we finish. I'm not sure if my nerve is going to hold out. That's all we got left there. We're up to 94% now. I've got another little coil I can add on. So if I can avoid doing that, well, we'll just see. Well, that was cutting it fine. I've got myself a bit of white orange there I was going to put in if it failed, but we managed. I'll let that cool down and then I'll lift it off. We can see the that leg or foot is a bit of a mess. That one's not perfect. I've no idea where that's come from. Probably about there, I would think. Yeah, that's from just there. So may have lost the end of his tail. I printed it on the lowest possible quality and printed it faster than normal as well. So it had lots of things going against it. Well, just in case it all goes horribly wrong when I try and get it off the plate, we'll get some pictures of it. I freed it up. There we are. What a little beauty. So there's a couple of little rough bits that didn't work out quite right. You see the different colours. Yeah, that bit there is just there, I think. So we lost a little bit there. Don't think I'll attempt to... Oh, I don't know, I might be able to glue that on. Yeah, I won't throw that away. I'll see if I can glue that back on. These turned out okay. There will be a link in the video description to the original files on Thingiverse. What a little beauty. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.